Matt's bringing Crystal down for the big reveal. We're going to make her think that's what we've been working on all this time. We've really been working on that, too. So, hey, we'll see. Oh, be quiet, because here she comes. Shh, don't give her away. I'm in the house. No. Now, I'll make this quick, because I know y'all got to get on the road here. Now, I know you have your own little thoughts of what's been going on out here. He hasn't helped me. Yeah, but in the midst of helping me, he decided, hey, look, we can do this. Maybe we can do a little something for my wife. So, I don't know what the connection is, but this is... Matt works slow, you know that, don't you? I know, he said he told me that. I don't remember where you got it, though. Is that from your mom's? Where did that come from?
You showed my old one?
That's the old one. That's the heavy for you. That's the one out of your yard. That's the one that was all rusted. I had it powder coated and this is all. Okay. I was thinking it was your mom's. So did we do good?
You did good. I didn't realize it was from the old one. Yes.
And you didn't even know it was gone. We did this.
I can't believe you took the old one and did that.
Yeah.
Oh.
It looks great. You want to see what else I've been working on that he was helping me with? She's supposed to come pick it up today, so I had it covered up. So
it's late.
It's December. It's December.
Is that my old one?
Yes, it is. That's yours. I think we surprised her, Matt. I think so.
Oh my goodness. That is absolutely beautiful.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You got to number two. You helped a lot. You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Luke. You know what kind of flowers those are? You look close. Those are those African lilies like your mom.
Oh, really? Did you love so much?
Yep.
Oh.
I think she likes it. Remember it all powder coated, and that's all.